Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of all devices on your Google account. So once you're on Google, guys, ensure that you sign into your account and just simply click your profile on the upper right and click and manage your Google account. This is the same thing as your Gmail account as well, but the Google account here allow you to manage your entire devices. Now, all you have to do, guys, is simply click on security on the left hand side and you will be able to scroll down, and here you will find your devices. Now, to see all of those devices connected to your account and you want to sign out of those, just simply click on manage all devices, and here you will be able to find all devices and what they're logged in from. So you want to scroll through the list and see the devices, the ones that you can identify, then and it's yours, you can keep them. But the ones that you don't need, let's say I don't know about this Galaxy S23, I know about it, but let's say I don't know about it, click on it, and here you will be able to, of course, log in with your email, with your password. So go ahead and enter your password. I'm going to enter my password right here, and this is going to give you access to see the devices. Now, to remove those devices, you want to go ahead and click sign out on each of them. And what the cool thing about this as well is that it shows you what kind of apps and services that this specific device is currently using with your Google account, right? So you can scroll down and you will see the browser's apps and services right here. And this is telling you that, hey, this current application or this current device is currently using my Google account. So if you don't know about it, just simple sign out, guys, from here, right? So this is how you can easily do it. Just simple go through each of the devices as you can see, and you can just go ahead and sign them out specifically. And that's pretty much it, guys. Now, you see here, for example, this is a Windows session. So you can scroll down and you can see it tells me that there's three different sessions, right? So again, if you don't know these, you can simply click on each of them and you can simply sign out. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.